like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, I've been cleaning and everything, but this came today and I wanted to get it on here. So I went ahead and stopped what I was doing to record this. This is my Fabfitfun mystery bundles, and I get 3 of them, and they sent them in a separate box this time. They don't usually do that, so yeah, so we'll start with the first one. Oh, here's the tag on it. I know some of you guys like to know what the tag is. Oh, 2601 Mystery 8. Oh, I knew I already got them out. I was like, what did I do with them? And my psoriasis is flamed. Just can't tell by the redness in my face. Okay, the first thing I got is OH Essentials Renew Face Polish. I don't know. It's vitamin-rich face scrub powered by upcycled pineapple exfoliants and red seaweed algae extract with gentle biodegradable polishing beads to prevent over exfoliation and help support skin's natural barrier. Smooth, dry, uneven skin for hydrated and glowing complexion. That's what it says. So we'll just open it up. Renew face polish, and this is what it looks like in here. And it's sealed. Okay, this is what it's looking like. That's the consistency, just so you know. And it goes on here. Let's see what I smell. I'll probably take this up and give it to my sister since she's having such problems with her skin right now. I don't really... Actually, this way it smells like Fritos. It does. When I first put it on there, I smell a faint hint of pineapple, but this way it smells just like Fritos. So if you don't like Fritos, you may not want it, but if you're a Frito lover, you'll be right in here. Smells like Fritos. Must have salt, a lot of salt in it, and then when it mixes with the oil, that would be my guess. Okay, then we got another Florica by Sponge Gel, and it's 7+ washes. And I'll be honest with you, I have said this before, and I'll say it again. Oh, it does have a thing with it. I do not like them if they do not have a thing. You know, if they have a thing like this where you can hang it, I'm cool. Except for they forgot one stupid problem. This thing won't fit through the hole. The snap won't fit through the hole. So you're going to have... I would suggest cutting the snap off and putting it through the hole and tying it. Good try, though. But when they don't have a thing to hang them on, they just turn to mush. And it's slimy, and I don't like it. And I know these run about close to 15, 20 bucks, something like that, which is, that might be for the bigger ones, I don't know. And then we got Acne Fighting Zone Patches by Truly Clear. And there's 10 patches in here. 3 size patches to cover big breakout zones like T-zones. So there you go. Charlotte will end up getting them. Because, you know, she's the one that, still a teenager, still getting acne. And the sponge gels will probably go, maybe one of them to my sister. The sponge gel might go to my sister. I like the way I say it. They will. I don't even know if I'll get any more. But anyway, there's this. This is the number, and it's 005. We got 008 and 0805. We ain't got 007 yet. yeah, I just wanted to get these up. Now I paid $19 a piece for these because I get them on subscribe and save. And you get 3 items, and it's supposed to be valued at $100. Now, if you get them on a regular thing without subscribing and saving, they will cost you $29.99. So you're better off to get them. And I just do 3 of them every season. I think that's as much as you're allowed to have. Now this is the big full-size one, and it's Beyond Cleansing. Free ship pair, and it's 14 plus uses. It says cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. Body wash infused buffer. Let's see if I can smell this one. Sometimes you can smell it through the thing. Oh, and this one has a thing too. This one smells fresh. They must have started putting them in all of them because it used to be a lot of them didn't have the little hangy things. And I don't like them if they don't have the hangy thing. It turns into a slimy mess. You know, who wants that in their shower? And then I got this. This is Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. And that's what it looks like. Oh, I see. And then when you're, see what happens when you put the heat of your skin to it? It melts it. I don't know if I'd be able to use that or not. I usually can't use balms. But it does smell like rose. And it's very pretty. Glenda, she can use balms. I can't. She uses them to take her makeup off and stuff. But I have to use micellar water because if I wear that rose, if I use a balm, I end up with my whole face broke out. And I don't want to end up with my whole face broke out. And then the last thing is this. And it says, don't let your kids play this plastic bag. This is Iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. And this is probably pretty expensive because Iconic London is usually fairly expensive. I remember when I was a kid, I used to see them in like Elder Beerman and stuff. And I thought, wow. It's a pretty good palette, actually. It's a lot of neutrals. Very soft. Now they are neutrals, which is a good thing. So that was the third thing in this bag. These make great gifts too. Well, that's why I always get them. Because if nothing else, I can put them up for a future gift. You know? Now we got 007. We're in there. We got James Bond. And I got Oak Essentials Balancing Mist, which when I first looked at that bottle, I thought it was the same thing, but I guess it's not. So we'll see what that is. Usually you don't get duplicates. You might get one thing duplicated, but you don't get duplicates. Or at least that time. You know, if you're ordering 3 of them, all 3 of them will have mostly different products in the mystery boxes. When I saw this box, I thought, wait a minute. What is this? It's called Balancing Mist. Oh. I was like, look at my hand where I put that stuff on me, but it wasn't where I put that stuff on me. Yeah, I just put it on my face. Now let's read what it's about. Gently shake before each use. To emulsify the ingredients, generously mist face and body to prep skin, set makeup, or hydrate throughout the day. While skin is still damp with mist, follow with serums and ritual oil. So what did we just have? What do we just have here? Oh, this we had Renew Face Polish. So there's that one. That kind of burnt because my face is in a flare. So I might just take that set to my sister. Maybe. And then we got another Elemis Rose Cleansing Balm, which I'm not even going to open. Give one to Darla and one to Glenda, maybe. Then we have Tripeptide Plumping Lip Balm from the Inky List. And I will open this. I will say lately, at night when I'm watching TV, you know how you go to bed an hour before you go, and I'm watching TV, and the inside, it's one of these kind. It looks like this. You know, this is the lid. But I will say, and that's what it looks like when it comes out. See, it's not good. And this winter, it's been bad for my lips. I've been laying in there in bed just... It feels good on my lips, though. It really does. It doesn't feel like a balm. It feels like a cross between an oil and a gloss. That's what it feels like. So anyway, that's my Fabfitfun mystery boxes. Come on back, like, subscribe. We do all kinds of unboxings over here. Here lately, we've been doing a lot of unclaimed mail and a lot of mystery boxes. I do Fabfitfun. I do usually Allure, Ipsy, mystery box, you name it, we do it. So come on back, like, subscribe. Old people need love too.